Why mother wake up me up?
There's no way. There's no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother.
Mom, who woke up me today?
Mother smiled. Mother smiled. Who else? You, of course. But I was sleeping. How could I? Not Andy. Why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? I feel hungry. And why do you sleep every night? Because I feel sleepy. There is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. Oh, I better rush. Now I don't want to miss the bus. Relax, today is Sunday. Oh.
इधर आ जाओ सारे. Yes. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Well done. Clap, students.